how to fix your location not working in the Find My app. So if the location's not updating for one of your devices or for when you're tracking someone else, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone and click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then scroll down and click on Find My. Now make sure the Find My iPhone is turned on like this, and also make sure Find My Network and Send Last Location, make sure these are also switched on. You can then come back over to the previous window, and where it says Share My Location, make sure this is turned on. Now go and head back over to the main settings page, and this time we're going to scroll down to Privacy and Security and click on Location Services. Now make sure Location Services is turned on, click on Location Alerts, and also make sure this is switched on. Now scroll down until you see the Find My app and click on this. Make sure it's set to while using the app, and also make sure precise location is switched on. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window and you'll need to load up the Find My app. You can now check to see if your location's updating. Now, if it's still not working, click on Me in the bottom right hand side. Make sure Share My Location is switched on. And if it's still not working, open back up your settings, scroll down to General, and scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Now just make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs, and you can also try signing out of your Apple account, and then you can try signing back in to resolve the Find My issue.